Hi, I'm Shashwat and I'll be doing question number 6. So in this question we have been given this ODE. For this ODE represents a response of a mass spring system to an impulsive force which is due to a real life phenomena. This is seen in a hammer blow response to the mass spring system. Now for the graph, this will probably get is a sinusoidal function which gets an impulsive force at 3 pi. So when we plot this, what we'll get is initially it will be 0, which we have been given, and at 3 pi we'll get an impulsive force. Now to solve this equation, first we take the substitutory equation where capital Y is equal to the Laplace of y at t. So now from this we get s square y minus s and value of y at 0 minus derivative of y at 0 plus 16 y is equal to this. Now when we solve, we get s square plus 16y. This is because this initial conditions have been given 0 is equal to 4e minus 3 by s, then y is equal to 4 upon s square plus 16 into e raised to power minus 3 by s. We know that this will be the Laplace of sine of 4t. Now y is equal to e raised to power minus 3 pi s Laplace of sine 4t. Now yt is equal to inverse of Laplace of this into L sine 4t. Now to solve this, we're using this identity, which is this Laplace of a function t minus a into u t minus a, which will give this. Here u t minus a is a step function which gives 0 for t values less than a and 1 for values of t greater than a. Now for our given equation, what we'll get is y is equal to sine 4t minus 3 pi into u of t minus 3 pi. This comes from this, as we'll use so now from this what we'll get is the solution will be 0 for values of t less than 3 pi and sine 4t minus 3 pi for values of t greater than 3 pi. Now if we try to plot the graph for this function, what we'll first we'll find, as we know from this, the stepwise function for values less than 3 pi it will be 0, and then after 3 pi, first let's plot the value of this at 3 pi will be sine 9 pi, which is an odd pi, which after which it will give it will get the inverted graph of a sine. So hence and then the time period will be given by 2 pi divided by 4, which is pi by 2. So now when we draw the graph, what we'll get is till 3 pi it will be 0. After that, with the time period of pi by 2, this will be 7 pi by 2, then 4 pi, and so on. What we'll get is this, and it will go on. So now if you compare it to the graph that we have intuitively drawn, since we didn't know about the time period, now we have a definite time period, and with this function we have also got that the graph will be inverted, which is opposite to what we have predicted. Thank you.